Wix Dynamic Pages tutorial in 2025. If you want to build a website that updates automatically without creating a new page every time, in this video, I will show you exactly that. How to use Wix Dynamic Pages and CMS collection to design just once and display unlimited content. So let's dive in. If you don't know what is a dynamic page is, you can say a Wix dynamic page in Wix is special type of page that automatically display different content using single design template. For explanation, instead of creating separate pages for every product or blog post or service, a dynamic page pulls data from your CMS content manager, which is, and fills in the content for you like a smart template. So this is the dynamic page in Wix. Now, first thing what you have to do is head over to wix.com to access the dynamic page. Then what you have to do is choose your project, and then what you have to do is click on this design site option from the top right corner. Click on it, go to your website, and let's access our dynamic page option. Now it will take us to editor of Wix Studio, or sorry, Wix. I'm using the Wix Classic version. I'm not using the Wix Studio. These two things are different from each other. So make sure you are using Wix. So wait for a few seconds to load this. Now from the top right corner, you will find this search option as you can see here. First, what you have to do is search for a dynamic page, and if you go scroll down a bit, you'll find this dynamic pages. Design a page once and use it to display dynamic content from a collection. So we have already dynamic page option available into our Wix Studio, so we don't need to add. Now from the left side, you will find this CMS option, which is content management system. Now click on that, and then from here you have to click on this add site button. So it will let us to click on this add option, and it will take us to this page. So from here you can add a page. You can start with the preset, or you can start by adding a content. First we will go with the start with the preset, and it will give us some dynamic templates you can use for project or services or portfolio or recipes. You can use whatever you want. If you're a beginner, I will suggest you to go with the template, but if you're a little bit know about dynamic page, you can click on this add to site, so you can customize in a better way, in your own way. So I will choose this project one, click on this add to site button, and then click on this. It will import that page into our website. So wait for just a few seconds to load this, and into left side you will show up something like this. Okay, here we go. It pops up, and from here you can see the projects. Right now these are the 4 projects, these are things. Now let's say if you want to add more items, from the right you will see there is option of add item. From here you can add new item. For that you have to give the project name, then you have to add a photo, then you have to add a main project image. This is the portfolio kind of CMS, so you have to add these things. Then you have a project star 1, project star 2, project star 3. Then you have to add a short project description. Then you have like you can generate content with the AI. So yeah, let's fill out. First is project, which I will add this camera photos. This is my project name. Click on this media option to add new media. Right now I haven't added any media, so I will click again. Now let's upload media. Again, upload from computer. Now I will use these some of images just to show you, and click on this upload button, and it will upload these 4 images. I guess this is the video. You can cancel it, but let me add this too. Now after adding this and uploading these photos, click on this add to item, and after that let's select one and save this. So we have uploaded this video. Let's add a main project photo. I will choose this one, and add to item. Now let's you can add project stat as well from here, like project stat 2. You can increase the number. These are the data set which I have already made. Now you can give a short description of your project. And then you can generate a long description about your content. Click on this content AI and you can give a short topic or title for your content. Let's say make a funny write about Coca-Cola and hit enter. It will generate the content based on your topic or the title. So wait for a few seconds to generate this content. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this project item, then you have a project list. So you can add a project item or URL. Now, if you want to add more field to this template, you can just simply click on this add field button. From here, you can connect each field to page element to display its content on your site. Let's say you want to add a URL, you can just simply choose the URL from here, or let's say if you want to add a number, so you can order all of the projects, you can add these numbers, and then you have a boolean, then you have multi-reference, and then you have a color picker as well. Then I will add just a test text and choose field type. From here you can choose the field type name. From here you have to give a help text. Help text appears in the collection only, it won't show up anywhere on your live site. So I will just save it and click on the save button. So this is what we have just added. Now click on the save button again and close this. So we have successfully added this and then close this. So let's get back to our dynamic page. So this is how you can add your product into your dynamic page. So it will automatically change it. Now let's move to second section. Now let's talk about the dynamic pages. Now in the left side, you have to go to pages to add a dynamic page into your website. Now click on this pages button, and after that, into site pages menu section, you have to find this dynamic page option. Now after that, click on that. After clicking on the dynamic page, it will something open like this. From here you have to go to bottom and click on this add dynamic page. So what it does, it's basically add a dynamic page to your website. Now then you have to choose a collection for your dynamic page, your collection or project. I will choose project. Then what kind of dynamic page do you want to add? Is like either you want to add a list page or you want to add a badge. From here I will choose this list page and click on this add to site. So it will create pages. So wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see here, we have successfully added our dynamic page into our website. Now it will automatically change the photos, so I don't need to go and change and customize these options from here. Now you can link this page to other page as well. From here into connection strip, choose the database you have to choose, dynamic page dataset if you want to choose, or you can add a dataset as well. Now from into connections, you can give a column background connection as well. Right now it is not connected. You can connect with the main project which you have. Then you can add to this project text name. So it's like background alt connect to text. So whenever something you connect this, it will exactly enter that. So I will just undo these steps to show you not connected and not connected. Now go to view all page dataset. From here you can dynamically page datasets you can find, and you can manage the content of your page as well. So you have dataset. From here you can choose the dataset. You can add dataset to show item from another collection to our additional item for this collection on this page. So in order to add a dataset, just simply click on this add dataset button, click on it, and from here you can choose a collection. Now from here you have to create collection. Right now this is my collection and this is project. In order to create collection, just simply click on the create collection. It will ask you to how do you want to start to creating your collection. You can use create with the AI, you can go for start from scratch, then you can import from CSV as well. Now click on this create with AI, just click on the next button. Now then you have to describe what's the name of your collection. So I will give this photos, and then you have to add some detail about your collection. If it is luxury properties for sale in San Francisco, this photos has taken on photos in teeth. Photos are art, and these photos value millions of dollars. I have added this random detail about my photos. Click on the next button and it will generate and collect created data. Right now, as you can see here, it will create, and click on this create collection button. Now wait for a few seconds to create collection. So if you don't know what is collection, is basically in Shopify, a collection is simply a group of products that you organize together to make them easier for customer to browse and shop. Now, as you can see, when I added this, it automatically give a name, then added this artist name, then over here created date and all of those things. Now click on this add item button over here, or you can go with a new view. It basically save a new view to easily switch between different chart, filter and visible fields. Now click on this add item from here. You can add items from here as well. I have already shown to you, so I don't need to demonstrate it again. Now just simply choose default views. If you want to add more items, just simply click on this add item. Then you can add manually to your you can add something in collection manually. Now just simply cross this. So these are the things you can use as a dynamic page for in a Shopify. Now if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.